Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's soft Italian Biscotti. The ingredients are in the recipe box below. It's a delicious festive season treat that you can enjoy all year round. The first thing that we've done is just sifted our 3 cups of self-raising flour, to which we're adding our caster sugar, our chocolate chips and our mixed fruit. Just a nicely balanced mix of fruit there, and just mix this all around. We've melted our butter and allowed it to come back down to room temperature, to which we are going to add our vanilla extract, and milk, and just 3 large eggs. Mix this around. We're going to grate some lemon rind into our biscotti dry mixture, only using the rind itself, none of the pith of course, because that can be quite bitter. I'm going to use a microplane for that. You could use just a lemon zester if you like, but it'll give you longer strands. It'll make it difficult to cut. Now we just want, this is off our tree. That's just a fresh lemon off our tree, a little bit on the green side, but don't worry too much about that. And we're just taking our rind off there. Even though there is mixed peel in my mixed fruit, this gives us a really fragrant burst of lemon flavour. Right, we're just going to mix that around with our flour, make a well in the centre. We've preheated the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to mix the butter mixture, the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients, in with our flour and fruit mixture. Divide it into 4 equal portions, slightly twist it and put it out onto 4 logs onto a baking sheet lined with baking paper. Okay, in with our wet ingredients now. Okay, just completely combine this. It'll be quite a stiff dough. We're not kneading this at all. It's going to activate the gluten in it, and I don't want to do that. Let's just mix it until it's just mixed and you can't see any more portions of white flour in there. Okay, we're just going to divide this mixture up into 4, make it into 4 logs. It won't stick to your hands very easily because it's so buttery. And we just fashion it out like so. The same with the other piece. And keep it as even as possible. And just give it a gentle twist as you go to give it a bit of visual appeal. Okay. And do the same with the other half. I'm going to bake it at 180 degrees or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. Into the oven we go. Okay, our soft biscotti is out of the oven now. We're just going to dust it with some icing sugar and slice it into little pieces. And store it in an airtight container. Okay, just a dust of icing sugar. And we're just going to slice these into 2 centimeters or 2/3 of an inch slices. And that's what you should have. Beautiful with some eggnog, some mulled wine, port or dessert wine, or a nice coffee. And there you have it, Cheekyricho Cooking's Italian soft biscotti. I hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration. If you would like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our Cheekyricho Cooking channel. And don't forget to please subscribe, and do come back and visit us again soon. We have so much more to show you, and we're uploading lots of videos. And thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to check out our Cheekyricho Cooking's Christmas playlist. There's something there for everyone from all over the world. And seal it up and put it away for Christmas, if it lasts that long. And there you have a Cheekyricho Cooking's soft Italian biscotti to enjoy with a nice strong cup of coffee. I hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration. If you'd like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, and perhaps check out our Christmas playlist, which has got oodles from all over the world in it. And thank you very much for watching. Have a little taste, shall we? Soft, lemony, packed with fruit and chocolate. Perfect. Gorgeous cup of espresso. Thanks for watching.